you guys hear Charlie Sheen is dying? Also, Jessica gave me this Hong Kong Phooey t-shirt at the thrift store, and I was very excited, so I wore a headband today, even though Charlie Sheen's an asshole. We had our years, you know. I had good years before I found out he was bad. Anyway, what's that Vietnam movie he was in? He was really good in that one. I like that one. He wore one of these. That's why I'm wearing a goddamn red headband, okay? Hong Kong Phooey. Alright. I'm getting to work now. It's down to business. Brass tacks, as they say. I'm cleaning up. First I gotta get all the stuff out. Except for these two. Dancing around. I'm such an elegant butterfly. I might just push these all to the back. You know, work smarter, not harder. Right. I may build my own stand for my cooktop because I have these beams left. These things. Oh, hello. Yeah, I might use those and build my cooktop area. Everything's kind of specific now. All that out of the back. Do all of this stuff out of the front. Oopsie. Alright, be back. Be done. It's clean. Now I gotta sweep and vacuum. Saved you all that aggravation watching. So I found out why they donated the Shark vacuum, because it doesn't hold a charge, but it works fine plugged in. So I had to go get my cord and plug that in, and then I came back in and climbed in, and I realized, woof, I'm a dog. I fit a couple of dogs under here. Anyway, I had to do that. It was funny, but yeah, it works good. I'm gonna clean this floor now, and then I'm gonna lay some stuff down just to protect it. And these are gonna have like little throw rugs, so you're not gonna see any of this stuff. I might even paint it tan. But yeah, I was looking for my, what's it called? It's like a razor blade slicer thing. That's what I'll call it. But anyway, I'm like, why is there a bump in the linoleum? Because I haven't sealed it down yet. It was underneath. Crazy. Anyway, that's what's happening. This thing. I have to go get some hot soapy water and clean the floor. And the vacuum died after 5 minutes, just like it did when it was charged. So I'm a little bit peeved. It's $5 down the trash. That's all right. It did get this job done. It was a one-job vacuum. I'm glad this sticker residue is coming off. That was from the initial roll. Like, I just left it there and it got all gnarly, so I'm so glad it's coming off. Bleach. Say what you will about the 70s, but that linoleum cleaned right up. Very nice. Now I just have to do the rest of it. Excellente. I am realizing that these need to go on the inside and not the outside. It was getting dark and I was just finishing it. But that's okay. Fixie, fixie. First I'm going to finish cleaning the floor. I'm looking at all my mistakies, which are fine. Nobody's perfect. I'll leave that to Beyonce. Okay. Came out really good, the floor. It's so clean. I am going to move those two brackets, but it's going to rain. The rain cometh. So I got to think of something else I can do. So that's what I'm going to do. But I got to get all the wood that I put out there and stuff, put that away. But looks good.